Looking for a powerful thermal imaging camera that won't burn a hole in your wallet? Today, I've rounded up the 5 best budget thermal imaging cameras that deliver solid performance without the premium price tag. From accuracy to portability, I'll break down what makes each one worth considering, and of course, I'll highlight both the pros and the cons so you know exactly what you're getting. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. FLIR 1 Gen 3 Thermal Imaging Camera. The FLIR 1 Gen 3 thermal imaging camera is a handy tool for anyone needing quick, reliable heat detection without investing in bulky equipment. It easily connects to an Android phone via USB-C, turning your device into a portable thermal scanner. A big plus is its versatility. You can use it for home inspections, HVAC troubleshooting, or even automotive diagnostics. The image quality is clear enough for everyday professional and DIY needs, and the companion app is simple to use. However, the battery life could be better, as frequent recharging is sometimes required. Overall, it's a solid budget-friendly option for thermal imaging on the go. Number 2. My second best pick. FLIR C5 Compact Thermal Imaging Camera. The FLIR C5 Compact Thermal Imaging Camera is a sleek, pocket-sized device that delivers surprisingly high-resolution infrared imaging, ideal for professionals and DIY inspectors alike. With built-in Wi-Fi and an intuitive touchscreen, you can quickly capture thermal images of electrical panels, HVAC systems, or building structures and share reports on the spot. The onboard LED light and visible light camera overlay enhance clarity for accurate diagnostics. Plus, its rugged IP54 rating ensures it stands up to job site conditions. One drawback: the battery life can be limiting during longer inspections, requiring a midday charge. If you're after a dependable, easy-to-use thermal tool in a compact form, the FLIR C5 is a smart pick. Number 3. My third best pick. Topton TC002 Thermal Camera. The Topton TC002 thermal camera for iOS is a solid choice if you want high-resolution thermal imaging for your iPhone or iPad. The 512 by 384 super resolution mode and native 256 by 192 IR resolution captures clear temperature differentials, making it great for HVAC diagnostics, home inspections, or automotive checks. With a broad temp range, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles everything from cold drafts to hot engine components, and its video recording support lets you document changes over time. It's plug-and-play via Lightning connector, no bulk, no fuss. On the downside, the frame rate can lag slightly in challenging lighting or rapid motion. Overall, great value for iOS users looking for accurate thermal insights without breaking the bank. Number 4. My fourth best pick. FLIR 1 Thermal Imaging Camera. The FLIR 1 Gen 3 Thermal Imaging Camera for Android, USB-C, is a compact and practical tool for anyone needing quick thermal visuals on the go. It seamlessly connects to your Android phone via USB-C, no dongles or separate display needed, making it incredibly convenient for home inspections, HVAC troubleshooting, or checking electrical systems. The merged thermal and visible images help pinpoint problem areas clearly, and the FLIR mobile app is intuitive and responsive. On the upside, it's lightweight and easy to carry, and its price is reasonable for its capabilities. One downside: thermal sensitivity and resolution aren't on par with more expensive handheld units, fine for basic diagnostics, but limited for professional-level precision. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Topton Dual Camera Thermal Imaging Camera. The Topton TC005 Dual Camera Thermal Imaging Camera impresses with sharp 256 by 192 IR resolution, paired with a 2MP visual light camera, ideal for precise diagnostics in HVAC, electrical, or building inspections. Its generous 12-hour battery life means full-day usability without recharging worries. The wide temperature span, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, handles both cold drafts and hot surfaces effortlessly, and the PC compatibility with 2D/3D analysis tools is a big plus for professionals needing in-depth data review. On the plus side, the handheld unit feels solid, the image fusion is intuitive, and exporting detailed reports is straightforward. However, the screen is a bit small and can be hard to view in bright sunlight. Overall, strong value for serious thermal users. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite thermal imaging camera? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.